Okay, this is George putting on the second step. It's probably not a good idea to look at it, huh? Now we've got 1200 watts of panels coming down to that one charge controller. I decided to put them all on one charge controller. The next charge controller is going to handle that big battery bank right there. So the battery bank that you see right there, that big box, will have a separate charge controller. Went ahead and put on this inverter. And if you hit the switch, you get some lights. There's also a remote that comes with that I'll be hooking up later. He's just putting on the second step there. And he's reinforced it on the sides. I don't know if you can see that, but there's some reinforcement there. A lot of stuff happening. Alrighty, well that's it. End of video.